We are Kika Studio. We are here to entertain you. You will take the responsibility for enjoying our channel.
Hello guys! I know that most of you expect illusions on my channel, but I have a lot of inspirations watching some pictures on internet and from movie characters, so I decided to do more that kind of videos with makeup inspired things, you know. I was busy for a while with my family and, you know, mama stuff, but here I am and I want to share my art with you. I will include more of, you know, makeup things, combine beauty makeup with drawing. I just want to have a fun. I need to draw, not to talk anymore. Just let's begin. If you like my video, subscribe, leave a comment or share. And yes, all products I use will be in the description below.
See you soon.